Hi there, students. That being said, we use this to introduce a contradiction. So, he's a really expensive worker. That being said, he does a really good job. Okay? So it's showing a contradiction, yeah? It's a way to say, however, nevertheless, nonetheless, despite that. Yeah, he's an expensive worker. Despite that, he does a lot of work. He's very efficient. He does things very well. Okay, so that being said, you can also use the phrase having said that. So he's a very expensive worker. Having said that, he does his work really well. Okay? So you can use both of those phrases. I think I prefer that being said. It gives an idea of a contrast and shows it maybe more clearly. Because having said that, he sat down. You can use it in another way as well. Yeah, but that being said, yeah, he sat down. I guess you could probably use it like that as well. But let me give you some more examples. So we made a very big profit on that investment. That being said, it was very risky. Yeah, you were very, very rude to her. That being said, she deserved it. Okay. Your new job pays really well. That being said, you have absolutely no free time. Okay, so you're using it as a contrast. Notice both that being said and having said that. I would only use these in spoken English. I don't think they're suitable for writing, yeah? I think they sound quite informal, yeah? I think for a more formal document, use the word however, nonetheless, something like that, yeah? It's much better for something written. The new laws are very draconian, dragon-like, strong. Having said that, crime has been cut radically. The new laws are very draconian. That being said, crime has decreased significantly. The first part of that exercise was really easy. That being said, the second part was almost impossible. Yesterday, it rained a lot when we went out. That being said, there were some sunny periods. Okay, so you're saying, however, on the other hand, yeah? Despite that, nevertheless. So it wasn't all good news, there was some bad news, or it wasn't all bad news, there was some good news. And notice, use these when speaking. Don't use them when writing. Okay, so that being said, having said that. They're quite easy to use though. So, having said all that, different meaning, I'm going to finish. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. That being said, having said that.